In this MintSuite review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create unlimited websites, funnels, and even send unlimited emails for a one-time fee. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out MintSuite, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses, including some white label licenses here. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says ClickFunnels and Aweber without monthly payments, create unlimited websites, funnels, and send unlimited emails for unlimited profits, no monthly fees, and make money at the same time. So essentially what this is it's a funnel page builder. It's an email autoresponder so that you can actually send emails. So if you're paying for things like ClickFunnels, if I can talk today, ClickFunnels and Aweber, then you're gonna be able to save a lot of money on that, as you're not gonna have to pay monthly for those. Now, the make money online angle for this is that you can actually sell this as a service as well using the commercial license and be able to offer other people the ability to do this as well. Now, you can compare this to other things out there like ClickFunnels and Aweber, where these things cost upwards of like $297 a month, and to be able to send unlimited emails over $1,000 a month here. Now you can be able to do that using the power of MintSuite and just pay a one-time fee for this. So you're going to save a lot of money on this. They've proven converting pages. You can clone pages or funnels. You can turn leads into sales, increase conversions, seamless integration with other different like payment gateways, webinar platforms, and more, all inside of this software. Now, if we move down here, they say you just upload your leads and you can generate web forms as well, select from any high converting email templates, and then you can just send unlimited emails using this platform here. They've got a bunch of bonuses that you're going to get here with this. And yeah, so as far as what you're going to get here, you get both of these different things here. Now, one thing I will have you do is try moving your mouse away on the sales page. Sometimes a discount code will pop up. I make less as an affiliate by pointing that out to you, so please make sure you hit that like button as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Do you ever get the feeling that you're being held captive and you're paying your own ransom month after month, but they never let you go? Well, you have kidnappers doing this to you right now. I'm talking about funnel building services like ClickFunnels and GetResponse. While they do provide a valuable service, they force you to pay up to $297 month after month when it only costs them pennies. And they make you feel like you're stuck with them. Add those all up and you're paying more than $2,500 per year, $25,000 over 10 years. That's enough for a car. And you probably feel trapped, stuck with them, because you don't want to lose websites, funnels, landing pages, or squeeze pages, and even your autoresponder. Well, here's a dirty little secret. Those companies you're making big monthly payments to are paying pennies for the services they provide. That's right, they're tucking in a hefty profit from you every month. That's the real reason they make it seem like you can't take your business elsewhere. Well, friend, I have some good news for you. You can stop those money leaks right here, right now, presenting MintSuite. We saw what they're doing to you and everyone else and decided to break the chains binding you to their services once and for all. Introducing MintSuite. MintSuite has all the important services you need. Reliable website builder and all-in-one autoresponder with no monthly payments. This literally replaces ClickFunnels, Aweber, and GetResponse. That's right, there's only a single low payment. And you may think that's the best part, but it's not. You can even make money with your MintSuite account with the included commercial license. Here's what you get. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Remember at the start I said you could also add a new income stream to your business? That's the best part of all. We're including a commercial license with your MintSuite account so you can share access with your friends, family, and clients. Remember, they're paying big bucks every month just like you used to before you joined MintSuite. They'll save a ton. You'll be a hero, and you'll keep 100% of the money. That's right, no fees, no commissions, no royalties. It's all yours. No other service offers this. To show you how confident we are that you'll love MintSuite, we're not going to give you a 90-day guarantee. Try every bit of MintSuite, put all 2 services to the test. We're confident that once you start using MintSuite and especially profiting from MintSuite, you'll want to stay forever. Scroll down to get all the details and hit the button to grab your MintSuite access today. And stop feathering the nests of those big birds with your hard-earned cash.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Area that you'll have access to after you purchase. Now, I'm looking in here and it looks like they do have some kind of like a credit system. So they've got like sending credits. So it said like unlimited emails on the front end, but I'm a little bit wary about that when I see that there's some kind of a limit here. Now they might be removing that limit for you, but I did see a limitation here. So just be aware of that. They do have multiple upgrades. So the first one here is the commercial license with auto backups and multiple premium features and unlimited. So I think to actually get unlimited emails, you're going to need to get this this upgrade here. So you see that it says also unlimited email. So it looks like there is a limitation on the front end here for this one. So just be aware of that. Let me see here. I just got moved over here. Okay, so yeah, you get extra support, unlimited everything, and the commercial license for this. Now, one thing I will have you do on this is make sure that you move your mouse away, as a discount code will pop up. You can get $70 off of this one. Next one, again, remember, hit that like button because I'm making less by showing you that. Next one here, you can get done for you. So they'll actually set everything up for you. Move your mouse away, you can get a $150 discount. Next one here is 10 done for you products to promote. Move your mouse away and get a $60 discount on this one. Next one here, done for you traffic. And you can move your mouse away and get a $130 discount on that one. Reseller rights, move your mouse away, you can get a $50 discount on that one. And it looks like the last one is you can get 100 extra done for you monetized blogs. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about MintSuite and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, when it comes to one-time software, and you're paying one time for a funnel builder or an email marketing software, just know that most likely down the line in a couple years, it's probably not going to be working anymore, just the way that these are. So just make sure you have a backup of all your pages and of all your email lists, because when people sell things one time, they don't really have an incentive to keep them up and running. What do I like about this? If you're someone that's on a budget, you don't mind keeping a backup of everything, then this could be right for you. You don't have to spend a monthly fee. You get access to a page builder and an email marketing software. If that's you, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my MintSuite review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.